just taking some.
Hi again, YouTube. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria. My channel is Victoria Vulture. I'm sure you can see me not home as usual. We have 2 hours to knock about. We were just home bored. We tried to take some pics. If you notice, you'll notice along the video that we are twinning in some nice sleepwear. We tried to take some Instagram pics, but the lighting left and we got depressed and we threw a tantrum. So we say how better to get rid of a tantrum than to take a naughty drive to somewhere. But you know it's either somewhere natural with water or just plenty bush. So join us as we just now rock the boat. You see the holes on them in Trinidad? Just now, eh? To rock the boat, baby. Yeah. Dip the boat over. You see how much holes already? So yes, join us on our trip to I don't know where as usual, just to get rid of the tantrum and the little upsetness. Brianna, you're not watching the wrong spot all the time. I'm watching here. You all will get accustomed soon to looking at the right camera. I'm sorry, we now started, right? We're looking for... Oh God, the throat dry. Throat dry. Yeah, yeah. Throat dry. Yeah, yeah.
Ladies, what's going on tonight?
Good night, good night. Good night, good night.
Oh,
Let me just turn and come back, right, lover? You know, every time you go out, there's something in your mind that you wish you could get before you reach back home. I wanted jeera or fruits. So, along the way, we'll see which one I get through it. If not, I'll have to settle with not KFC. Don't try that. I ain't want no KFC. I actually rather Royal Castle, but I ain't want that tonight. None of that. Right? I like my small tatats. You see that big set of tatats that KFC meat does give you? I ain't going through that, right? I could do the bumpsy, but I don't think the fat does go equally. So I ain't want no KFC, right? Rather curry up my beef I have in the fridge home so long, just getting hard, like... anyway, don't study that piece there. I'll cook the beef. Yo, we entering Komodo now. So you know, just now the lights will be gone. I'm feeling a little wee-wee coming on, so you know that'll make it more scary. But yeah, the wee-wee will encourage us, well me, to stop in one of the loneliest, darkest spots. When we get there, we'll show you all. Not me wee-weeing, but how dark the area is. Y'all, well, we reached Komodo. I am driving, and this is my headlights are on, but you can't see us, and we can't see anything except where the headlights hitting. So, I can't really hold the wee-wee anymore, so I'm going to look for somewhere wide enough to pull aside, because I can't see bright. I don't want no bright. I want wide, so if something comes, it could easily swing around us. Well, we stopped to pee, so I'm cutting off the headlights now. I can't put on the indicators. I had to cut off the indoor car light, and I'm outside, so I'm, yeah. I'm talking to you in here right now, and I'm in the middle of the road because I don't know what's at the side. You have to be safe, and we're in bush. Might have snakes. I'm really trying for you not to hear the noise of the wee-wee now. Hey, what's that? So that's it there. All done with the wee-wee. We stopped to make a little short clip and enjoy some darkness. Half scared some people to death who were driving towards us to see 2 women running, going towards a car and disappearing. You know, that must have been very traumatic for them. But you'll always ask me how I stay so young and what it is I'm doing. Is this child of mine? Look at the, oh God, you ain't seeing me? Right. Look at the hour, 20 minutes again before curfew. I wouldn't tell you which part of behind God back we are. And I, with this adrenaline thing, and she's smiling cutely next to me, it's just a kiss shit of unconsciousness. Well, we're safely back on the highway into civilization, passing La Hoqueta. Some time to kill still, not much time to kill, but some time. You all once again. Oh, jeez, on this phone. Finally home. What's going on with this? Hi. Thanks for joining us again. I am Victoria. This is Victoria Bulger. You could also find me on IG at Victoria Richards, all common letters. And you could find me on TikTok at Victoria Richards 05, all common letters. You could also look for my daughter, Brianna Effect Gaming, or Brianna Effect on TikTok. I'll put her other information after. I'm not as young as I used to be, and I don't want to shout and call her now. So thanks for joining. You all take care. Until we meet again.